Hey everyone, welcome to the Smart Associate. My name is Sivam and we will continue our SQL module. So in the last lecture, we have covered distinct and where clause, and prior to that we have covered the basic select statement. In this module, I'll tell you about the order by clause in the SQL. So order by clause, it is unique in nature. Like it tells you in which order you want to sort your data, like how you are when you are filtering your data in your Excel or somewhere, then it is coming in the raw method. Okay, but when you want in a say you want this in specific order, like in ascending order or descending order, or you want order by any column, like you want your complete data in order to specific column, then we will utilize the order by. So it is if we want our data to be sort in specific order, then we are using this. Okay, so if we'll come at this and no, we will. Okay, 1 second. Okay, let me call each and everything. See, you can see patient ID 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is in ascending order. Now if I want the patient ID in the descending order, so what I'll do, I'll utilize the order by, and then I will write the column name. So patient ID, right now it is in ascending order, so by default it is ascending. I'll change it to descending, and then for descending I'll utilize DESC and then run it. See, when I am running, it is just going into the 4530 4529 4528. Even if I'll remove, so by default SQL takes, if you will giving any column for the order, so by default it is taking in the ascending order. So if just I tapped and see, I'm changing the order by to patient ID, and this is in the ascending order. Now see, if we will remove the patient ID and I want my table in order of in ascending order for the first name, and rest table is compared to that name, compared to that column. So if I'll write like first name and then ascending, so you can see it is first name starting from Donald. Okay, I'll run this query, you can see it is starting from AB, and then alphabetically it is increasing, but you can see each and everything change. Patient ID is coming 36733892349. Last name is coming something else. So this is how you can utilize your order by. Okay, so thank you, we'll meet in the next lecture with the next module.